Hey there! If you're looking to keep your notes safe on your iPhone, locking them with a Face ID or a passcode is a fantastic way to protect your sensitive information. In today's video, I'm excited to share 2 simple methods to lock your notes using Face ID or a passcode. So let's jump right in. Solution 1. Locking individual notes with Face ID and passcode. First, open the Notes app on your iPhone. Next, select the note you wish to lock. After that, tap on the 3 dots located in the top right corner of your screen. From the menu that pops up, go ahead and tap on Lock. If this is your first time locking a note, you'll see an option to enter your iPhone passcode or create a new passcode at the bottom of the screen. Choose the option that works best for you. I'll go with my iPhone passcode. Enter your passcode again to confirm. Now if you'd like, you can even set up Face ID for quicker access. Solution 2. Using only Face ID to lock notes. Before you can use Face ID for this feature, make sure it's enabled on your iPhone. Once you've got Face ID ready to go, here's what to do. Head back to your home screen, find the Notes app. Now tap and hold the app icon until a menu appears. Tap on Requires Face ID. This will initiate a face scan to lock your Notes app with Face ID. By following these easy steps, you can keep your private information secure in the Notes app using either a password or Face ID. This way, only you can access your locked notes, ensuring your data stays safe and private. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Catch you next time.